Do you want to make money online, but you don't have a website? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 a day online without even having a website. I'm going to show you step by step what you can do to start making money online. Super excited, guys. I'm going to even show you an untapped traffic source that you can start pulling in traffic and start making money online. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow an online business, and of course, how to grow as an affiliate marketer. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, we're going to be talking about a super awesome traffic source that not a lot of people are using. And I think you guys are really going to be blown away with the traffic source we're going to be using. And it's called Pinterest. If you've never heard of Pinterest, it's basically it's a search engine type platform, kind of like YouTube and Google. And not a lot of people are using it. And you know, there's a ton of people like actively using it as far as like users, but there's not a ton of marketers actually making money from Pinterest. So as far as Pinterest, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using affiliate marketing, and we're going to grab products that we can go ahead and put on Pinterest and start making money with this. Okay. Now, Pinterest before used to ban affiliate links, but now if you look, this is straight from the businesspinterest.com. Affiliate links are now allowed on Pinterest, so you can go ahead and use affiliate links on Pinterest. Now I'm going to show you how to do this the right way and the correct way, so you don't get marked for spam and you don't get kicked out. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to use Clickbank to get these affiliate sales. Okay, if you haven't heard of Clickbank, it's basically a network online where you can find digital products and you can choose to promote them, and then you get a commission. So really cool. If you haven't created a Clickbank account yet, just go to clickbank.com, and basically all you have to do here is just create an account. Really easy to do. Clickbank.com, you go to create an account here. Fill out your information. Tell Clickbank where you want them to send your checks to. You'll either put your bank account or your address. They'll either send you a check or a straight deposit into your bank account. Okay, so make sure you create your account. That way you create your business ID, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so once you do that, we're going to choose a product. Okay, in this particular case, we're going to choose a health product that we're going to be promoting. Okay, so if you go to the affiliate marketplace here, so you can see the marketplace, you're going to go to health and wellness. Okay, now this particular example, I actually did an example of this in an older video, and I showed you kind of the advanced system. This is the way we do it without a website. Okay, and I'm going to show you the advanced way later, but let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to go to health and wellness here, or health and fitness, and we're going to choose a particular product here that I already found. It's selling very well right now. Okay, so if we go to, we're going to look at popularity here, and we're going to look at a product called Cinderella Solution. Now, if you can see, the gravity is over 200. Okay, so what this means is in the last 30 days, at least 242 people have made sales on this product. Okay, so to make at least $100 a day, we need to sell this product at least three sales a day, which is very easy to do. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to promote this product on my untapped traffic source called Pinterest. Okay, I'm going to show you the best way to do this and how you can start getting traffic. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit promote, and we're going to grab a link. But before we do that, we're going to go to the affiliate page. Okay, in the affiliate page, they give you a bunch of things that you can use, like pictures. They give you email sequences, all kinds of stuff. But for now, we're just going to click in here. And what we have is, this is called the Affiliate Center, where we have a bunch of items in here that we can use to promote that particular product. Okay, so we're going to go down here, and you can see all the stuff that they have for us, all kinds of good stuff. They have pictures, banners, they have Facebook ad images, and what you can do is you can click this Facebook ad image right here. Okay, and they give you a ton of images that you can use. Now, I've already used a lot of these images, and I've already created Pinterest images, which I'll show you how to do here in a second. And what we can do is use these images to then get people to our affiliate website and make sales from there. Okay, so what we do is we go to Pinterest. Okay, And we're literally just going to promote this product, okay? So what we do is once you create your Pinterest account, which is very easy to do, guys, you just create an account. And I have videos on how to create Pinterest accounts. So if you don't know how to do that, go check out my older videos on how to do this. But what you do here is you go to the top right, this little arrow here, or this little plus sign, and hit create pin, okay? Once you create pin, okay, our server, okay, give me 1 second. Server's down. Let me see if I can... This isn't good. Okay. Hopefully it will work. There it is. Okay. Let me try it again. Create pin. There you go. Okay. So now that we're in here, we can go ahead and create a pin, and then we're going to add a pin in here with our website. Okay. So from here, we don't need a website. Okay. We can literally direct link it to our affiliate link. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what a lot of people do wrong and what can get you in trouble. Okay. So what most people do is they hit promote, right? Let's just say we're going to promote this product. Most people, what they do is they hit promote, and then they use this link right here. Okay. They use this link right here, which is what most people do. Okay. Now the only problem is Pinterest, they don't like Clickbank links for some reason. Okay. So what you need to do is, basically get either a bridge page, or you can get a different link, and I'm gonna show you how to do both here in a second. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna show you how to do this without a website, because I know a lot of you are trying to make money online, but you don't want to create a website, you don't want to create a bridge page. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay, so what you do is grab this link right here, and basically you're gonna copy it into any browser and just click enter, and you're gonna use this link right here. Okay, this is the link that you want to send people to. Okay, so this one right here. Okay, so this link doesn't have the word Clickbank in it. Okay, so if you go back here, this is the exact same link, but Pinterest doesn't like the word Clickbank. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and paste this into a browser, and we're gonna grab our link. Okay, now this is our new link because you can see it here. It has your nickname, so now it can track your affiliate link in here, so you're still gonna make money with this offer. Okay, so now it's still tracked, and we're gonna go ahead and add this in as the destination link. Obviously, we still need a picture in here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go to canva.com, guys, you can literally create a whole design on this. Let me show you kind of how to do it from the beginning. Really, really easy to do. Go to canva.com, you hit create design, you go to Pinterest pin, and it literally gives you the exact template on what to use for Pinterest. Okay, so I love Pinterest here because there's a lot of people that are not using Pinterest right now. And, as a marketer, you can make a ton of money with this untapped traffic source. Okay. So anyways, you can go in here and you can pick a template and you can change up the words however you want. What I do, guys, is I go here and I use the photos that they already give me here, and I just restructure it into a Pinterest pin. Okay. So for example, I can use any of these here and, get people into my affiliate offers. Okay. But I went ahead and created some already, so you don't have to watch me create these. But basically, these are ready to go. So for example, I'm gonna take. Let me see if I have these downloaded yet. Okay, I have right here. I do have them downloaded here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use one. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload this. So all you gotta do is create it in Canva and then download it, and then you can go ahead and upload it back to Pinterest. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one right here, okay? Okay, so I already created the pin. I already used what they gave me. Super easy, guys. Let me just show you real quick how easy this is to do in Canva. You can literally go in here and, change this up however you want and, kind of go from there, okay? But yeah, so that's basically what you do. And then now, all you got to do is add a title. So what I do here is my keyword research. So what you can do is just go to Pinterest.com and let's just see what people are typing in to, already into Pinterest to see how we can model this. Okay. So, this is a weight loss product. So we can do how to lose weight. Okay. In a week. Let's see how to lose weight for women. Let's take a look at what we can find here, okay? So I like to do my keyword research on here. Typically, Pinterest will give you some keywords that you can use. Let's see. All right, I'm going to do best ways to lose weight woman. Okay, so that's the first thing it gives me. We can probably use that. Make sure you do your keyword research, guys, but you can kind of start typing things into Pinterest and use the keywords that it gives you. Okay, so I'm just going to use this because that's what people are already typing in. Okay, so we're going to go here. We're going to add this as the title. I'm just going to make this a little nicer. Best ways to lose weight, women. Okay, it makes sense. There's a woman on the pin. And I'm just going to add something here. Have you unlocked your metabolism pairing yet? Okay, so I'm just going to do that. And then for the description, I want to add my keyword here, but I want to add it in more. I want to explain this whole thing. So in this article, you will learn I'm going to put my keyword in here, guys. The best way to lose weight. I'm going to put for women. So you want to make this have a ton of keywords in here, but also make sense to the user. Okay, so the keyword is best ways to lose weight. We have one of the best methods for ladies that are looking to lose weight fast. Okay, so see, I'm trying to put a ton of keywords in here. Let's just see what we can find on the actual page here. Let's take a look. Sometimes the affiliate centers give you a ton of things that you can use. Here we go. So we can use some of this here. Let's see if we can just copy this. Okay, let's take a look. See, they give you a bunch of stuff we can use, which makes it a lot easier when writing these. According to Stanford. Okay, perfect. So that's perfect. I'm just going to add some hashtags in here. Lose weight. How to lose weight. Weight loss tips. Perfect. So I have that done, guys. You want to fill out a good description, a good title. That way people can see what's going on. I have my link in here. And I'm ready to go, okay? So you can go ahead and publish this to your Pinterest account, okay? And I'm just going to create a board. This is my Make Money Online Pinterest. I forgot to switch it again, but I'm going to go ahead and put weight loss tips for business and entrepreneurs. I'm just going to create a board, guys. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and create a board anyways, just so it makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and publish this, okay? That is done. Now we can start getting traffic, okay? Now what you can do here, okay, is you can wait for Pinterest to send you traffic, and that's good. That's what I usually teach, but what we can do, okay, so sorry this link is blocked because it may lead to spam. Okay, so it doesn't like this link here. Let me see if it'll let me do, sometimes it'll let you do this Facebook quiz link here, okay? So I'm going to do this quiz, no header. I'm going to use this link here because this is a Facebook friendly link. Let's see if it'll let me do that, okay? The only thing you have to do here, guys, is you have to change this affiliate link. See these X's up here? Change this to to your nickname, okay? So whatever your affiliate link is, then you want to put that in as the XXX, okay? So that should work. The only thing is it has the Clickbank name in there, but I'm going to go ahead and try that anyways because for some reason it didn't like that other domain name, okay? So hopefully this works, and we'll go from here. Not a valid URL. Did I not copy the whole thing? Oh, I put an H in here. Okay, give me 1 second. Hopefully that works. And typically the Facebook links here. So if you go back, you can see, okay, yeah, this is a Facebook friendly. So these are the type of pages you want to use. You don't want to use the ones that they give you right here. You don't want to use the promote. You want to use the Facebook friendly ones, which you typically find in the actual affiliate center. Okay, so all you got to do is switch out this affiliate ID with your affiliate ID. Okay, super easy to do. But in here, it looks like it went ahead and worked, so that's good. But yeah, that's basically all you need to do, guys. So that's done. Now, what I recommend doing now is creating an ad for this. Start, putting money to this. And I actually have a video I just recorded on how you can do this. That's more of the advanced method. This method works, and you can start making money, but it is slower. Okay, so if you go here, let me see if I can find it for you guys. I create a video on the advanced way to do this, okay? So $0 to $100 a day, affiliate marketing. Click this video here. I'll link that down below as well. And this will show you my advanced method on how you can run ads and how you can collect emails instead of just sending people to a link without following up, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do this the correct way, the more advanced method. So if you click this video here, I'll also link this video down below, and it's going to show you the best way on how to do this. But if you don't have money to get started, you don't have money to run ads, this is a great way to start doing it. You don't need a website, you don't need a landing page, you don't need any software. You can literally just do this for free and start making money. Okay, so I hope this video was of value to you guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Make sure to watch this video here. This is the advanced video where I go deep into creating a landing page and how to do this correctly. So talk to you guys soon, and God bless.